replace. Yeah, baby. Believe me, this thing surely deserved it. And a word of advice. Anybody thinking of doing this yourself? Unless you got body shop knowledge, don't. Alright? Don't. They had to adjust these. And there's not much of an adjustment to be done. Go by the swing there and let her go use it. And they had to adjust this guy. And then they had to take the door and put a jack underneath that. Lift the door up to line her up. Oh yeah. Look at that. It's a thing of beauty. Look at that. It's a thing of beauty. Listen to that. Look at that. Look at that. That's a thing of beauty. And then I had an issue in the back. Where's my keys? Here. Alright. I'll show you guys. Open. Up. Way up. Yep, just like that. There's an old one. The old strut, which you just loosen the clip there with a screwdriver, pops up. Same thing on the top side. See? You just slip it up and it comes right out. These here. Replaced. And I replaced well, actually the two of them on both sides. The issue I had after those were installed is that the gap over here, the trunk was actually sitting up higher on the back side on both sides. So what they did again, where's my darn keys? I'm saying, honestly. Let's see if the key works. Yeah. Okay, lift it up. Now, to adjust that, the screw here, this one here, loosen the screw there, and take a lateral force to push down on the trunk, and then tighten up the screw again on both sides. It's only the back screwed it right there. So now she sits and she sounds good. She's tight against here, both sides, and like I said, the gap is corrected all the way. It's rested. Darn salt. So look at that. It's a thing of beauty. And I'm happy as pie. Happy as pie. So again, to the good folks at Sunset Drive Body Shop in Dalhousie, thank you very much for your good work. Much appreciated. One happy customer, that's for sure. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.